If there is excessive rust on the muffler, on holes in the muffler, then it's time to change your car muffler. Hi. I am Jesse, your facts and tips person with Automotix. So today's question is, how do I know when mufflers go bad? Technically, your muffler has baffled passages that the exhaust gases move through to muffle engine sound. If you were to cut away your muffler, you'd find some tubes with holes in them. Inside your muffler, these elements work together to have the sound waves hit one another to reduce the noise. Excess noise could also be from cracks or holes in manifolds or gaskets. Remember, bad mufflers may also lead to increased pollution, and even a rough idle. Till then, keep watching FAQ videos at Automotix.
Automotix.FAQs. Get answers to your queries by posting it on our G+ page.